Baby Girls Autumn Clothes Online USA. As the seasons change, it's time to rebuild your toddler's cool weather wardrobe. We have compiled a useful list of autumn essentials for your little explorers to help you welcome the new season. Warm jacket. This season, the denim jacket is once again proving to be a must-have piece. Floral. With patterned tops or t-shirts, florals are the simplest to wear. Protective base layer.
When it's chilly outside, cozy thermals are a great place to start any outfit.
Scarves and hats. The hat and the scarf are two of the most important autumnal accessories for any wardrobe. Rioco Kidswear is the leading hub where you find an exclusive range of kids' clothes at wholesale. For more details and shop, visit our website.